Hello everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well and keeping safe at home itself. My name is Sapna Sangode, Assistant Professor AISSMS, College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Pune. I welcome you all for my today's topic on tobacco. What are the objectives of this topic? By the end of the session, student can learn or they can know about tobacco leaves. They can differentiate between cigar, cigarette, and tobacco. They can also classify and understand responsibility to serve cigar and cigarette to the guest once they become sommelier. I hope you know what is sommelier. Sommelier is a person who is generally responsible for service of wine as well as he can serve cigar and cigarette to the guest. Introduction. The tobacco plant is grown commercially for its leaves and stem, which are rolled into cigars, shredded for use in cigarettes, and pipes processed for chewing or ground into snuff, a fine powder that is inhaled through the nose. Tobacco products contain nicotine and addictive drug. After tobacco is harvested, it is cured, that means it is dried, and then aged to its flavor. There are four common methods of curing. 4 curing method. After tobacco is harvested, it is cured, that means it is dried, and then aged to improve its flavor. There are generally four common methods of curing tobacco. First method is air curing. Second method is fire curing. Third method is flue curing. And the fourth method is sun curing. The curing method applied depends on the type of tobacco and its use. Let us understand what do you mean by first air curing. Air curing, that means it is carried out in a well ventilated barn where the tobacco is air dried for 6 to 8 weeks. Air cured tobacco is low in sugar, which gives the tobacco smoke a light, sweet flavor and high in nicotine. This method is suitable for making cigar. I'm talking about air curing. Now the next is fire curing. In this method, smoke from a low burning fire on the barn floor spreads and passes through the leaves. This gives the leaves a distinctive smoky aroma and flavor. It takes about 3 to 10 weeks and produces a tobacco low in sugar and high in nicotine. It is suitable for pipe tobacco, chewing tobacco, and snuff. Now, third curing method is flue curing method. In this method, tobacco is kept in an enclosed barn heated by hot air from flues. The tobacco is not directly exposed to smoke. This method produces tobacco that is high in sugar and has the medium to high levels of nicotine. It is the fastest method of curing, requiring about only a 1 week, and then it is suitable for all kinds of cigarettes. Virginia tobacco that has been flue cured is also called as bright tobacco because flue curing turns the leaves gold, orange, or either in yellow color. Now, the fourth one is sun curing method. In this method, tobacco is dried, uncovered in the sun. By the name itself, you come to know that it is the sun curing. Okay, this method is used in where Greece, Turkey, and other Mediterranean countries to produce the oriental tobacco. Sun cured tobacco is low both in sugar and nicotine, and it is also used in cigarettes. Now, tobacco is low both in sugar and in nicotine. They are generally used in where in cigarettes only. The cured tobaccos are tied into a small bundles of 20 leaves called hands and then packed into a larger bundles which is called as bales. The bales are carefully aged for 18 months to 3 years to improve the flavor and reduce the bitterness of tobacco. Cigar. Cigar is prepared from good quality tobacco leaves, which are rolled to various lengths and girths. Havana cigars are regarded as the best in the world. A cigar is made of three constituent parts. They are as follows. Parts of cigar. A cigar is made up of three constituent parts, which are as follows: filler, binder, and wrapper. Now, let us understand more detail about these all three parts. Now, the first part is filler. Filler forms the interior core of the cigar and it makes most of the cigar. Now let us understand the tobacco leaves which are used as the fillers can be either long or it can be short also. Long fillers are made of whole leaves which are of better quality, while the shorter ones are made of chopped leaves which are inferior. Filler is made of a blend of leaves from different regions to get a good flavor. Now the second one is called as binder. It is a good quality leaf with a high tensile strength which holds the filler. 2 to 4 leaves are used for this filler. Okay, tobaccos are laid end to end and roll into the binder leaf. Filler with binder is termed as, now it is termed as bunch. Usually these are tobacco leaves chosen as wrappers but rejected because of the holes and blemishes. Now the third one is called as wrapper. It is the outside of the cigar and also the most expensive part. A whole leaf of the finest quality is chosen for wrapper. Now the bunch is laid at an angle across the stripe of wrapper leaf. The wrapper is then wrapped carefully around the binder, overlapping at each turn till the end of the hook, and then it is stuck with the vegetable gum, forming the rounded close head. It is then the cut other end to the length required. How much? Cigars are made both by the hand and the machine, and the handmade cigars are always expensive. Structure of cigar. A cigar has two ends, namely head and foot. Each cigar has a paper band with its brand name printed on it. The end closer to the band, which has a leaf cap, is called head is foot. The foot end of the cigar is lit while smoking. The smoker makes an incision or cuts the cap at the head of the cigar and draws smoke from the head of the cigar. Here in this picture, you can see the different structure of cigars. Terms used to refer to color of the wrapper. The leaf used for wrappers varies in color, which are sorted accordingly and marked on the boxes to indicate the color of the wrapper. The term used to denote the color are in the following form. Many of the guests generally they denote with the color only and then they can order for cigar. Here in this picture, you can see different cigars with color with the typical brand name printed on it. Their structure also you can see here. Okay, so this is all comes under the different kinds of cigar, or we can say about the wrapper of the color also you can denote it, like double claro, claro, Colorado claro, Colorado, Colorado Maduro, Maduro and Oscuro. Terms. Now here in this we can understand what is the terms of this wrapper. Claro, which is denoted by triple C, it is in light golden brown. Colorado Claro, which is denoted by double C and it is medium tawny in color. Colorado, which is denoted by C, reddish brown, also called as Rosado. Colorado Maduro, that is denoted by CM, it is a dark brown color. Maduro, which is denoted by M, it is very dark brown in color. Oscuro, the another term for this is double Maduro, okay, and it is a very distinct one because it is a black and oily in appearance. Then the natural one is there, which is light brown to brown color. Then candela, which is greenish yellow in color, and it is also known as double claro. Storage of cigar. Now here in this we will understand how to store cigar. Cigars are best stored in humidors. What is humidors now? Humidors are boxes made of cider wood. Generally, cigars it should be stored at a temperature of 60 to 65 Fahrenheit, which means 15 to 18 degrees Celsius. Cigars are individually packed in metal tube lined with cider wood, and these tubes are hermetically sealed. You can see in this picture humidor, which is a box. It maintains the temperature of the particular that, and it is also helpful for keeping cigar in a safe way. Okay, so this is generally in these boxes, humidor boxes, cigars are kept so that they should not become too moist also, and it can be used for a longer period. Brands of Havana cigars. Here there are the different brands of Havana cigar which is considered as the best in the world. Romeo y Julieta. The next one is Punch, Cohiba, Bolivar, Cuba, Fonseca, Portagas. This is all comes under the brands of Havana cigar. Cigarettes. What is cigarettes? Cigarettes are machine rolled in a special paper that burns slowly and evenly. Most cigarettes have filter to collect impurities and to make it less harsh to inhale. Now here the brands of cigarettes. Benson and Hedges, Dunhill, Marlboro, Pall Mall, Cool, Moe, Chesterfield. This is all comes under the brands of cigarettes. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any kind of query or question, please let me know. Thank you. Here are the below mentioned references given for this video.